Hello, I'm Double Lines. Do you know that letters can be unruly, reckless creatures for new writers to control? Watch these guys battle over whose alpha letter, and you'll see how I help children keep them in order.
I'm the biggest, I'm the tallest, the best, numero uno!
You're not the tallest. I'm just as tall. Plus, I'm simple, classy, and elegant.
Yeah, right. You can't get down like me. None of you go below the line.
Ha ha ha, give me a break. I'm tall and I've got my hump. Hey!
Well, guess what? I'm cute and I'm awesome. I'm the only one here who gets to be small.
I'm alpha.
I'm alpha.
Now imagine how confusing it is for new writers to fit letters together when they're given all sorts of lined paper at school. 1 line, 3 lines, too many lines, dotted lines, no lines. I can help you write your letters correctly. My rules are simple. This is my baseline. This is my midline. The baseline guides placement, and the midline controls the size of letters. This is my top space, this is my middle space, this is my bottom space. Small letters fit in the middle space, tall letters go in the top space, descending letters go in the bottom space. Whoa. You guys are nothing if we can't read you. Let's all try to work together. Let me help get you into position. Baseline guides placement. Okay, line up. Midline controls the size of letters. Small letters fit in the middle space. Tall letters go in the top space. Descending letters go in the bottom space. Perfect. You're set for success. Double lines help you learn how letters fit together. You'll make them the right size and put them in the right place. You'll be able to keep your letters in order no matter what type of lined paper you have.